Okay, we are now going to do a partial payment problem that has two partial payments here. So this says on March 14th, a loan for $850 is taken out at 9.7% interest. Okay, the loan matures on July 18th. And so on May 10th, a partial payment of $350 is made. And then another partial payment for $200 is made on June 3rd. So now it wants to know how much is due when the loan matures. So let's go ahead and see how to do one of these, okay? Maybe I'll make my timeline a little bit bigger because there's two partial payments. And I'm going to put the starting date of the loan on this side, the ending date over here. And then there's two partial payments. So I'm going to put each of these here in the right order. So May 10th, you make a partial payment for $350. Okay, and then on June 3rd, you're going to make another one for $200. Okay, so I'm just putting my partial payments. Again, the spacing doesn't have to be perfect. You just want the dates to go in the right order. And then I always put the partial payments underneath. And so now the way we're going to do this is just like we did before, but we're going to add a third pay period, right? There's going to be 3 periods. And technically you could extend this out however many. Someone could make 10 partial payments, and you're going to be able to, you would just do them one at a time and then be able to calculate how much is due when the loan matures. Okay, so first we need to find the day of the year for each of these. So March 14th is the 73rd day of the year. May 10th, so May 10th is the 130th day of the year. June 3rd is the 154th day of the year. And July 18th is 199th day of the year. Okay, so now I can use this calculator if I want. 130 minus 73. So this period is 57 days. And then 154 minus 130, that's 24 days. And then 199 minus 154, that is 45 days. Okay, so we got the 3 pay periods. So I'm just going to figure out what happens at the first payment right here. So I have to calculate the interest. It would be so I borrow $850, 9.7% interest, so 0.97, and then this period is 57 days, so 57 over 360. That'll give me the interest. So 850 times 0.097 times 57 divided by 360. And that's like $13.05. So the amount that I owe on May 10th would be the $850 plus the $13.05. And so that would be like $863.05. Okay, now the remaining principal. This is going to be this amount that I owe, $863.05. And then I'm making a $350 partial payment. So I'm taking this amount, subtracting $350. So 863.05 minus $350 and $513.05. And so this is like the remaining principal. This is how much still remains on the loan when you get to May 10th and you go into this next period. So over this period, they can only charge interest over the $513.05. Okay, so then I have my second payment. And so when I calculate the interest, I have to use the remaining principal, okay, at 0.09, 0.097%, 9.7%. And this time only 24 days, so 24 over 360. Okay, so 513.05 times 0.097 times 24 divided by 360. And so this is $3.32 when I round to the nearest cent. Okay, so then the amount that I owe on the loan would be $513.05 plus the $3.32. I think I can do this one in my head. It would be $516.37. Okay, so that is how much I owe on June 3rd, but then I make that $200 partial payment. So my remaining principal will be this amount that I owe minus the $200 partial payment. I can probably do that in my head. That'd be $316.37. Okay. And so now when we go into this last pay period, when we go into that, they can only charge me interest over this amount right here. So maybe I'll center it here. Final payment. Okay, the interest is going to be over this amount, so $316.37. Okay, 9.7% interest. This time it's 45 days divided by 360. Okay, so 316.37 times 0.097 times 45 divided by 360. And we get $3.84. And so then the amount that I owe when the loan matures is going to be the $316.37 plus that new interest, $3.84. So 316.37 plus $3.84. I get $3.20 or $320.21, and that would be the final answer that's how much is due when the loan matures. Technically you could keep going. I could have as many pay periods and I just keep doing it. I just got to use the remaining principal from the time before when I calculate the interest for the next period. I think what we'll do is I'm going to make one more video, do one more example, and what we'll do is we'll have one that goes into the next year. So we'll have to use that little trick that we learned when we talked about the days of the year table.